students, welcome to the next class. In the previous class, we have discussed the how to derive two-dimensional heat equation. In that, we arrived at standard 5-point formula and diagonal 5-point formula. In the last class only, I have mentioned that we'll discuss Leibniz iteration process. Yes, Leibniz iteration process is what? Uh, That is, the accuracy of the values of 𝑰𝒕𝒆𝒂𝒏𝒏 that can be improved by successive application of standard 5-point formula and using the latest iterative values. Means whenever we perform the iteration process using standard 5-point formula, the values what you will get, use those values and again we have to repeat the procedure. So application of repeated procedure of this formula till we get a required accuracy is called as Leibniz iteration process. Yes. Now, to find the values of given Laplace equation, we have to follow two steps, two methods. One depending upon uh, the solution required. So in one case we are going to use odd number of squares. Especially we use 9 squares. Whenever it is odd number, then we use 9 squares. So the grid will be as follows. Actually, we are discussing with the two-dimensional heat equation. So it depends upon the variation of temperature. Actually, our mesh is the table what we plot. Usually, it is a mesh, that is a grid. So along y-axis our temperature varies and along x-axis the variables are x actually. Yes, but for your easy understanding we used to plot the table. Yes, but these are all grid values in two-dimensional x and y plane. So this is our x plane and y plane. Now this is 9 square mesh. Yes, so here along x-axis the values are, this is the origin u00, u10, u20, u30, and here our temp u01, 02, 03. These are all boundary values. These are boundary values 31, 32, 33, 13, 23, 33. Yes. Now the center values. The center values are given as, those values are u1, this is u1, u2, u3, u4. Yes. Now, I want u1, u2, u3, u4. For this, I am going to use standard 5-point formula. Yes. I am going to write here by standard 5-point formula. u1. Yes. u1 is equal to, now, according to the rule, how you are going to find u1? Yesterday, in the last class, I have discussed u1 is what? It's the left side, then it's the right side, then upper value and the lower value. Like this, we have to move using the standard 5-point formula. So then one their averages. So there are 4 values. So it is 1 by 4. u1 is equal to left value u02 plus right value u2 plus its upper value u13, lower value u3. Yes. Similarly, we need to find now u2. Yes. u2, I write u3 and u4. Okay. Now u2 is what? u2 is this u1 left value, right value u32, upper value u23 and lower value u4. So it is 1 by 4 times u1 plus u32 plus u23 plus u4. Now u3. u3 is this. u3 is 1 by 4 times U01 plus U4 right value, upper value U1, lower value U1, 0. Next 1 by 4 U4. U4 is this, left value U3, right value U31, upper value U2, U2, 0. Yes, these are the values you are going to find U1, U2, U3, U4 using standard 5-point formula. Yes. Now, next, note 4. In some of the cases, this is note 4. In some of the cases, even numbers of squares are being used, usually 16 squares. So, 16 square grid is like this. So, here we are going to get the values. These are all boundary values. Already I have written. It's the origin U00, U10, U20, 30, 40 along y-axis U01, 02, 03, 04. And these are all these are boundary values. 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, and here it is U41, 42, 43, 44. Next, now the center values of the grid are now, what are those values now? Those values are U1, U2, U3, U1, U2, U3, and here U4, U5, U6, U7, U8, U9. Yes, these are the values we are going to find now. And this U5 is the center value. Yes. Next, now I am going to find the values using 5-point formula. So, now especially for 16 squares, the value for U5 middle value using standard 5-point formula. So, by standard 5-point formula, so for U5, by considering the 2 steps at a time, we'll write the values. Yes. U5 is what? Now 2 steps means what? We have to skip its exactly neighbor value. So U5 is equal to 1 by 4. Now its left value is 4. Leave this. Then it is 02. U02 plus right value is U6. Leave this. Next value is 42 plus upper value U2. So leave that. Next step is U24. Then lower value U2 0. This is the formula to find U5. Next, remaining whatever odd number values are there, U1, U3, U7 and U9. Yes, just observe how they are when you compare to U5. These U1, U3, U7, U9 are diagonal elements. Yes, that's why we are going to find these odd number of values U1, U3, U5 and U7 and U9 using diagonal 5-point formula. Yes. Then U2, U4, U6, U8, even number of values are of U are going to find using the standard 5-point formula. So, we write down the formulas for them. Yes. So, by we'll continue this only by standard 5-point formula. First, we'll write down the values for E1. So, U2 is equal to 1 by 4. This is u2. So u1 plus u3 plus u24 plus u5. Hope you got now. For u2, u1, u3, u24, and u5. Similarly, u4, it is 1 by 4. Here u4, u02 plus u1 plus u5 plus u7. Yes. Here our u4, u02, u1, u7, u5. Yes. Next, u6. Yes. u6, 1 by 4. For u6, left value is u5, right value is u42, upper value is u3, and lower value is u9. Yes. Next is u8. So u8 is 1 by 4. Here it is u7 plus u9 plus upper value u5, lower value 20. These are all for even values of u using standard 5-point formula. Now, for using diagonal formula, 5-point formula, we are going to find all these diagonal elements u1, u3, u4, u7 and u9. Yes, by diagonal 5-point formula. So u1 is equal to what now? It is 1 by 4 u04 left value u02 u24 plus u5. For u1, for u1 u sorry diagonal elements we are going to find u1 04. Yes, then u02, this one, this and this. u4 04 02 24 and 5. Similarly, for u3 it is 1 by 4. This is your u3. This and this. For u3 it is u24 plus u44 plus u5 plus u42. These are diagonal. Now u7 equal to 1 by 4 u02 u5. Just check the table. u20 u00. Similarly, we can write u9 as 1 by 4 u5 plus u42 plus u40 plus u20. Yes, these are the grid values for even square and odd square. Now, in the next class, we are going to discuss how to use these type of meshes whenever you ask to find the solution for two-dimensional heat equation. In the examples, you will be given with a two-dimensional heat equation with the boundary conditions. You will be given with the this mesh. Boundary conditions will be given. We need to find these values. Understood? You will be given these boundary conditions. We need to find these values. Either you will be given with 9 squares examples, or you will be given with the examples of 16 squares with boundary conditions. Next, we'll discuss in the next class both the examples with 9 squares and 16 squares, and we'll see how to solve such examples. Yes, till then practice these formulas and practice the procedure. Then in the next class it will be easy to understand the problems. Till then, take care. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Practice the examples. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. Take care. Thank you.